Hello everyone, welcome to Coders Camp. We are at 11th day of November LeetCode challenge, and the problem we are going to cover in this video is remove linked list elements. So if you observe, the problems that has been asked during the November LeetCode challenge are mostly easy category problems. So it is always good to revise the basics. And in today's problem, we have head of our linked list as our input and an integer value 6, and we have to remove the nodes which are having the value given in the input and return the head of the linked list without those nodes. So, which is a very basic linked list problem you must have already crossed, but it is always good to revise the basics, and it is very good problem for those who start learning what is linked list. So let's understand this with an example. So here is the linked list given in the problem statement. As usual, we are going to solve any linked list problem using two pointers or single pointer, because pointers and linked list are always go best together. So now we have to iterate through the given linked list and check if the value of the node is equal to the given value in the input. If that is the case, then we are going to remove the connection and establish a connection between the nodes, ignoring the node which is having the value. So let's start having a pointer current, which is going to iterate through our linked list and check whether the next value is the given input value or not. So consider in this example, the given input value is 6. So we are going to search for the nodes whose value are 6 and remove them. So let's first check current dot next is 6 or not. We are right now at the node 1, and we are having our pointer current at node 1, and current dot next is 2. So it is not the value we are looking for, so I iterate the pointer towards the next element. So now current is 2, so 2 dot next is 6 or not. Yes, it is 6. So in that case, we have to remove the connection from current to 6 and establish the connection from 2 to 3. So now R6 has been removed from 2 and the connection has been made from 2 to 3. So now our current dot next is not 6, it is 3, because 2 dot next is 3. So we are checking whether 3 is 6. No, it is not. So let's move our pointer to 3. So now again we are checking 3 dot next, that is current dot next is 6 or not. No, the value is 4. It is not the value we are looking for. So I iterate a current pointer to 4. So now again check whether the next value to current is 6 or not. Yes, it is 6. So in that case, we have to remove the connection from 4 to 6 and establish the connection from 4 to the next value to 6. So we are now checking whether the next value is null or 6. It is null, which means we reach the end of the linked list. We don't have any more nodes to iterate. So that's it. Our linked list has removed the connections or removed the nodes from the given input and established the new connection. And here is our output. So this algorithm is going to work in big O of n time complexity, as we are iterating the linked list only once, and constant space, as we are not going to use any extra space to establish this. Since we are performing the same operation again and again, that is removing the node which has the value, we can do the same algorithm in recursive way, but for recursive algorithm we require the memory stack for each call. So linear is the best possible solution for this problem. So let's go to the code now. So yes, let's start. So before getting into the actual algorithm, I have said while explaining, the first node will have the current pointer and we check every current dot next is the searching value or not. But what if the first node, that is the head of the linked list itself, is the value? So in that case, we have to put a base case that, so we are checking whether the head itself is the value, then we are moving the head to one step ahead. So until what if there are 4 to 5 values continuously are the integer value given in the input, which means we are going to move our head pointer ahead that many times we find that value in our linked list. So now getting into the actual algorithm. So yes, we are iterating our pointer to next node until we face a null, and we are checking if the value is equal to the value given in the input. If that is the case, then we are connecting current dot next to current dot next dot next. If not, if we did not find the value, then we are simply going to iterate it to the next node. So finally, we will be having the interconnected nodes after removing the actual value nodes. So we have to return our head as a result. So yes, this is it. Let's run and try. Yes, so let's submit. Yes, the solution has been accepted. We have completed today's problem and it is running in 0 milliseconds. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe and let me know in comments. Thank you.